I will now proceed to call the names of the honorable members-elect in alphabetical order as submitted by the Electoral Commission. Honorable Ilyas Abdul Karim.
Do you wish to swear by the Holy Bible, Holy Quran, or do an affirmation?
Holy Quran.
Thank you. So you raise your right hand.
Okay.
Yeah, after me, Honorable. We start with oath of allegiance. I,
Ilyas Abdul Karim,
do swear that
I will preserve, protect,
and defend the Constitution of Malawi as by law established. So help me Allah. Oath of office. I,
Ilyas Abdul Karim,
swear that I will well and truly serve the Republic of Malawi in the office of Member of Parliament, and will do right and justice to all manner of people in accordance with the laws and usages of Malawi without fear, favor, affection or ill will. So help me Allah. Thank you.
Club Junta.